This is Dr. B, and I'm going to show you how to take 20% off of 60. Let's call it $60 here. So first thing, enter that original number, that's 60, so 60, and we're going to multiply that by the percentage here as a decimal. So 20% becomes 0.20, or you could just call it 0.2. So we multiply by that 0.2, hit that equals sign. That gives you the amount off, so $12. So 20% of 60 is $12. So 20% is a portion of 60. That's our $12. If you want the final price, you're going to take the original price, the 60, and then subtract this amount off here, this $12. And that means you're going to pay $48. That's your final price. So this is the price you pay, your final price. This is the amount you saved here. Some calculators have this percent button here. I don't recommend that. It can do different things on different calculators. You might not even have it on mobile. So now jump over to my next video or leave a comment. Thanks for watching.